Oh wait, I'm supposed to be looking for a lighthouse. And this treasure chest with this map. That looks like a lighthouse. This is my lucky day. The treasure chest, the lighthouse, and I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat! Welcome to 621 National Street on the west side of Santa Cruz. Come on in, let's take a look. Welcome to 621 National Street, located on the west side of Santa Cruz. Just a stone's throw away from the coveted Westcliff Drive, world-renowned surfing at Steamers Lane and Cowles if you're a little less experienced, wink wink, and the historical lighthouse. Hey, the lighthouse, 621 National Street's design was inspired by the lighthouse. This charming home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is situated in a prime location close to all the best amenities Santa Cruz has to offer. The 3rd bedroom is currently set up as a family room, but could be converted back into a bedroom. The interior of the home is bright, airy, and spacious, making it the perfect place for you, your family, and friends to create memories that will last a lifetime. The living room is perfect for entertaining guests, and the kitchen comes fully equipped with modern appliances and plenty of counter space. The bedrooms are cozy and inviting, providing the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. Step outside into your very own backyard oasis or onto the wraparound deck with magical Santa Cruz views. The outdoor space provides the perfect backdrop for summer barbecues, family gatherings, or just enjoying a quiet evening at home. But that's not all. The location of this home is truly unbeatable. You'll be just minutes away from the iconic boardwalk, downtown Santa Cruz, UCSC, hiking and biking trails, and so much more. Don't miss your chance to own this incredible home in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in Santa Cruz. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and start making your dream of owning a home in Santa Cruz a reality. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at my really awesome boat.
I'm on a boat, motherfucker. Take a look at me. Straight floating on a boat on the deep sea. Busting 5 knots, wind whipping at my coat. You can't stop me, cause I'm on a boat. Picture trick, I'm on a boat. And you drinking Santana shit, cause it's so crazy. I got my swim trunks and my flippin' floppies. I'm flipping burgers, you at Kinko straight flipping cabbage. I'm riding on the dolphin, doing flips and the dolphin splashing, getting there.